Hello and a very good morning to all you viewers out there. You're watching the Morning News Show on CNN News 18 and I am Sriya Kundu here to take you through all the top stories of the day from across the nation and around the world.
संविधान में भी आप ऐसे देखेंगे तो आर्टिकल 44 इसका समर्थन करती है, तो सैद्धांतिक रूप से हम इसका समर्थन करते हैं।
Party is yet to take a formal position. All I'm doing is quoting the views expressed by Jawaharlal Nehru.
ओबीसी जैसी सोच रखने वाले लोग हैं, उलेमा हैं, उनको दिक्कत होने लगती है। उनके लिए देश सर्वोपरि नहीं है, इसलिए जनता को भ्रमित करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। ऐसे ही ट्रिपल तलाक पे भ्रमित करने की कोशिश की थी।
Well, we begin this segment with a big debate. Yes, we're talking about the Uniform Civil Code. Fireworks continue over the Uniform Civil Code. As per sources, there are few voices within the government and the RSS who want to bring bill on the UCC in upcoming monsoon session of the Parliament. Now, religious leader Swami Jitendra Saraswati on Thursday also met Law Commission chairman regarding the implementation of UCC and gave his suggestions. Meanwhile, the Parliamentary Panel for Law and Justice has summoned the Law Commission to appear before it on 3rd July on the UCC issue. Now, the panel will be headed by Sushil Modi, and the Parliamentary Panel will hear the views of the Department of Legal Affairs, Law Commission of India and the Legislative Department.
आता केंद्र सरकारने विधी आयोग लॉ कमिशन यांच्याकडे हा विषय सोपवला आणि लॉ कमिशनने विधी आयोगानं देशातल्या संस्था विविध संस्था ज्यांचा या कामात रस आहे अशांच्याकडून प्रस्ताव मागवले. विधी आयोगाकडे 900 प्रस्ताव हे आलेले आहेत. त्याच्या खोलात जाऊन त्यांनी या सगळ्या प्रस्तावातून काय सूचना आहे आणि त्याच्यात त्यांची शिफारस काय ही पहिल्यांदा द्यायची गरज आहे. शीख समाज, ख्रिश्चन समाज, जैन समाज या तत्सम धर्मियांची भूमिका याच्यात काय आहे ते स्पष्ट होण्याची आवश्यकता आहे. प्रधानमंत्र्यांनी या प्रश्नाला हात घातलेला आहे, तर या सगळ्या गोष्टीची स्पष्टता एकदा यावी.
Opposition parties are saying that this is just a political trump card or politics that is being played by the BJP ahead of 2024. You want to create a division in the society, minority and majority. How would you respond to this?
So I don't understand why the opposition is worried about implementing a constitutional provision. In fact, there is no such effort by the BJP to create division. I would say that the opposition is trying to create division and make some political benefit out of that. Because the effort of the government is to promote equality in the religion. There will not be any discrimination on the basis of caste or community. The provisions of the Constitution from whether it is 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, which says about freedom of religion to managing religious institutions by the minorities. None of this will be affected. Either these people should understand what exactly is the law, what exactly is the constitution, and then react. And constitution envisaged such a uniform civil code. So if 75 years after India gained independence also, if the Congress feels the time is not ripe, when will that ripe time come?
हर व्यक्ति 140 करोड़ जनता में एक समान है और अगर एक समान है तो एक नीति होनी चाहिए सभी। और ये तो संकल्प भारतीय जनता पार्टी की रही है और ये संकल्प संविधान में भी है। तो आज जो 70 साल में नहीं हो पाया 3 तलाक को हटाने का, कश्मीर में 370 को रद्द करने का और पूरे देश में एक समान नीति यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड स्थापित करने का, जो असंभव कार्य था वो प्रधानमंत्री जी ने पूर्व में भी संभव करवाया है और यूसीसी भी हम लोग संभव करवाएंगे।
That is necessary. We also said that need wide consultation and try to bring some consensus. It should not be imposed. Imposing will create trouble and contradiction. In tribal organization all over India, they have unanimously demanded that it will destroy their social life. So in that situation, I think government should not hurry. They should discuss with all concerned and try to come to a amicable unanimity on that issue.
Uniform Civil Code is part of the constitutional scheme from the very first day that the Constitution of India got implemented in 1950. Article 44 specifically says so that the state will endeavour towards it. Now political parties are raising questions. The point is, after 75 years also, something that is conceptualized and is part of the Constitution from day one, should it not be implemented? Something that is part of the Constitution, is it not a constitutional obligation that needs to be completed? Can you say that something that is part of the Constitution is not in the interests of Indian citizens?
ये मुल्क डाइवर्स है, इसमें हर किस्म के लोग रहते हैं, हर मजहब रहता है, हर जबान के लोग रहते हैं, हर सोच के लोग रहते हैं और मुसलमानों का अपना शरीयत लॉ है, उसकी तरफ भी इनको नजर रखनी चाहिए और इसके बजाय कि इसको आगे चलाएं, इस पे बार-बार सोचें कि कहीं कोई तूफान ना आए